Good morning, guys. It's like 6:30 in the morning right now, and today's a big moving day at Yota Xpedition. If you guys watched our last video, our shop tour, we mentioned about a bunch of things changing inside and making room for more shelves and for Yota Xpedition growing. So today's the day. There's going to be a guy coming soon with a tractor trailer and a huge forklift. We have some of our machines in there. We're moving them around. One of them is going to be leaving. So let's get into the day. So as you can see, we have a nice open path all the way back to the machines for his forklift. So yesterday was a day of just moving stuff around. We have a bunch of stuff piled over here, things that we don't need anymore, and just things that we need to get out of our way. The lathe back there, everything's disconnected, the wiring stuff, we've done that over the last couple days. So when he gets here, he can just go back there, pick it up, and pull it out of here, and let's keep moving back. So this here is the machine that's going to be going, and we're going to be using funds from this to help Yota Xpedition grow. This whole center section of the shop is going to be more shelves for more inventory, more parts for you guys. We just want to grow our categories for Tacoma, Tundra, 4Runner. And then the VF2 here, our milling machine, this is going to be getting disconnected at some point today, and it's going to be going over there in the corner where our old lathe is. Our old lathe is going to be going to our old shop, and that's going to be living there for now. So this section over here is going to be the new machining area, and then this is all going to be shelves. So today should be a very interesting day. We got 3 machines to move, so let's watch him do it. He's here. Let's go. Get up here. Let's go. Real quick plug. So if you guys head over to the website, sign up for our email, you'll get a free brand pack. So you're gonna get 2 patches, stickers, keychains. So we've been shipping these things out all the time.
Oh, there, Jethro.
Jared just doing his everyday job around here.
I'll go clean the toilet.
You look good with a mop in your hand.
I look good with anything in my hand. Still true. Something smaller, but Call of Duty special poops. Plops.
Plops.
Plops. Oh my god. We gotta find a river or something soon to dump this thing in. But, I mean, if she can upload product and get stuff loaded.
So the first machine is gone. He just came back from Jersey. We're in Pennsylvania, so he loaded up the machine, took that to Jersey. He just got back. Now we have a bunch of small things that are going to be going over to the old shop, and then our milling machine's going to be moving. We got to hook everything back up, move everything back to the way it was, so we can just get back to normal operating. So we're going to go in and we're going to talk to Jarrett, and we're going to see what he thinks about all this. Where's Jarrett? I think he's having a meeting up front or something. Is anybody in here?
Me.
Okay, I'm looking for Jarrett.
No, not yet.
No? Okay. They must have went for lunch. No, we just had pizza. Why would they go for lunch? We found Jarrett. He was on a walk.
The health walk. You want me to enter in here?
We just want to know your thoughts about what's going on and how you feel, and yeah.
I really feel like I'm being interviewed, that I'm holding something here. And I also had a procedure on my tongue done, which might make my mouth sound a little weird and voice.
A little lispy.
A little lispy. Anyway, no, we are, I don't know, we've reconfigured this shop how many times now?
5.
6,
Six,
7.
I don't
So,
know, something like that.
we're in a non-stop state of moving, growing. And today, part of that is one of the machines that we're not necessarily using as much anymore. We are rigging one back to our old shop to clear up space, and the other we sold. And the whole point of that is to build out more inventory shelves for Yota Xpedition from the rear of the shop forward. So for me, this is a weird day because I grew up in the machining trade, and that's what my dad taught me. So when we get rid of one of those machines, it's like a little piece of me is leaving the shop. So it's kind of hard on a day like this. But Yota Xpedition is growing, and we need more inventory space, so we gotta do what we gotta do.
Yep.
You were looking that way the whole time. I don't know if I should look at you
No,
or
I was just
the camera.
watching what's going on.
Yeah, because we have two guys back there smirking in the background, I'm sure.
Yep.
I don't know how you guys do this.
Stand in front of the camera and talk.
That too.
Yeah. Okay, interview's done. My mic can put the other one. It looks great.
Yeah.
Tell
I
the
don't
people.
understand. You leave instructions for Amazon, tell them exactly what to do with these. They show up, the garage door's open, the door's unlocked, and they leave my stuff outside the door. I'm tired of it. I'm just tired of it.
So on top of everything happening in the shop, we got a delivery from Koch, almost $20,000 worth of Toyota parts to put on our shelf for you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get that unloaded. So it looks like we got a couple sets of rock sliders. We got a bunch of valances front and rear for the 5th Gen 4Runner. TRD intakes, probably for 4Runner and Tacoma. We have a TRD grill here for Tundra. We have a bunch of small stuff, blackout kits, shift knob, TRD shift knobs for Tundras and 4Runners. Yeah, and I think we have more on the way. So it's the next day. Pretty much all of the fun is done with. We just have to move everything back to how it was so that we can get back to normal operating functions. We have the wall kind of back where it was. All of our shipping stuff is back to where it was. So now we just need to reorganize, rearrange the stuff in the back there for where we moved the milling machine. We have shelving on order. So as soon as that comes in, we're going to be building that and starting to put the shelving there in the middle of the shop. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Thanks for watching.